Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to uninstall CoinGecko application from your iOS device. Without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, unlock your iOS device and find the CoinGecko application in the app drawer. Press and hold the CoinGecko app from the app drawer and you'll see a Remove App button. Tap on it and click on Delete App from the pop-up. You need to click on the Delete button once again and you'll then be able to uninstall the CoinGecko application from your iOS homepage. So that is how you can easily delete CoinGecko application or uninstall the CoinGecko app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.